Welcome back, this is Pete. We're married to Imports. Today we're working on a 2015 Corvette Stingray. This car came in with a check engine light for the exhaust flow valves. These things were stripped on both of the outer pipes, so we're going to replace these flow valves today. These are just held in by three 8mm. They're really easy to do, and just one connector, and it's pretty much plug and play. Just getting to the driver's side outer one is a little bit harder, but other than that, the passenger side one is pretty simple. You do need a couple of swivel 8mm on a 1/4 inch. That really helps. So moving on to the other side, I got my flashlight sticking in there so I could see what I'm doing. So I was attacking this one at like 3 different angles, just because of the location of the screws. So that one is really hard to get to on the upper corner. Alright, got it out. Going in with the new one. So the new one just pretty much reverse order of how you took it out. There's the extension going in between the pipes. So after you replace the flow valves on these, you have to do a relearn procedure with a scan tool. That's not shown in this video, but it's pretty straightforward. You just initialize it, clear the codes, and then go test drive the car. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.